How to change a picture taken in portrait mode to landscape mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on the edit icon as shown. You can edit the photo using all the options available over here. Tap on the crop icon at the bottom. You can now crop the photo as you like. Here, tap on the rotate icon at the top left to rotate the photo. As you can see, the layout of the photo has changed to landscape mode. You can tap on rotate again if you want to rotate the photo back to portrait mode. You can also crop the photo to make it look like a landscape photo. After that, tap on done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily change a picture taken in portrait mode to landscape mode on iPhone.